Good morning and welcome to your daily operations weather briefing. Well, we've kind of got a repeat of yesterday morning with some cool conditions out there. Temperatures dropping into the low 30s once again last night. Mostly clear skies to start the morning, and we're going to continue to see mostly clear conditions throughout the remainder of the day. Taking a look at the current surface analysis, high pressure in control over the region. No real threat for any precipitation once again today, as we'll see that dry weather continue across the region. And we'll see temperatures pretty similar to what we saw yesterday, maybe a few degrees warmer, as we'll see more of a southerly wind as we go through the day today. Looking at the satellite radar composite, you can see not really a whole lot of cloudiness or precipitation to be found anywhere throughout the region. We do have a little bit of upper level cirrus cloudiness going across the Delmarva Peninsula this morning, but mostly clear skies, as those clouds are pretty thin in the upper levels of the atmosphere this morning. And as you can see, a little ground clutter showing up on the radar, but no actual precipitation to be concerned with as we go through the day today. Taking a look at our current conditions out there, we see those high-level thin cirrus clouds at around the 25,000 foot level with unrestricted visibilities. Those winds out of a northwesterly direction at 3 knots. Temperature has warmed to 41 degrees and the humidity sits at 87%. Taking a look at the next 24 hours and what we can expect, we're going to see partly cloudy skies throughout today, with those temperatures warming again into the upper 50s and around 60 degrees as we go through the day today. Winds should be turning more out of a southwesterly direction as we go into the morning hours and increasing out of the south at around 6 to 12 knots. That'll be about as high as we see as we go into the early to mid-afternoon hours. And then we'll see those winds dying down once again in the evening out of the southeast at 4 to 8 before increasing once again after midnight at around 6 to 12 knots out of the south-southwest direction. Tides are currently running normal, and we'll see pretty much the same kind of cloud coverage throughout the next 24 hours, just some upper level cirrus cloudiness with the possibility of some lower level clouds in here later on this evening and into the overnight hours at around the 3,000 foot level. Looking at the next couple of days as we go into Wednesday, we'll see warmer conditions once again, partly cloudy and mild with a high of 64. And then for Wednesday night, we'll see a little bit of a cool down as we'll see a dry frontal boundary move through the region, bringing in a slightly cooler air mass. Overnight low temperature expected right around 39 degrees for Wednesday night. And as we go into Thursday, we'll see a few more clouds out there, slightly cooler conditions with a daytime high of 57. Well, that'll wrap it up for the daily operations weather briefing. We'll be back again at 10 a.m. for a look at your extended forecast. Have a nice morning.